Hello friends, this video is about Arctic Snow Hotel. Do you know that there is a hotel which is built out of snow and ice and which is rebuilt every year, and each year the design is different from the earlier years? Snow Hotel provides unique rooms made of ice and unforgettable nights surrounded by snow and ice. So, let's not wait more and get into the Snow Hotel. He was our guide who guided us throughout the Snow Hotel, and we were enchanted and mesmerized to see the beautiful curvatures made up of ice. That's my daughter standing in one of them, and now we enter the Snow Hotel. Let's see its magical designs. So this is another of the rooms in the ice hotel. On the two sides I have two beds made of ice, and this has a beautiful serpent carved out of ice, and the serpent looks creepy. Ooh, there's an echo. Just look at the beautiful tail of the serpent. Please show the tail. Beautiful tail. And here, do you think it's a nice place to have some nap? But I must say one thing, it's pretty cold and sleeping in these rooms, I don't know. This is another of the designs, the alien room. My daughter was quite fascinated by these alien rooms, I must say. Can you see the beautiful aliens made out of ice carvings? And now that's the teddy room. A huge teddy is lying on the floor made up of ice, and there's the bed beside that. Now this is a red room, lit in red, and there's a ice throne on it. Yes, sitting on it was a bit precarious, though I managed it. This is another with a tribal theme, and that's another music themed room, one of my personal favorites. So here we have an ice chapel, and we have heard that people really come here to get married for themed marriages. This looks so beautiful, unbelievable. See, there are benches full of ice and covered with wood. Can you believe people really come to this chapel to get married? Excellent. That's a bit of a repeat rehearsal. However beautiful the carvings were, we were wondering how do people sleep in these rooms. So they told us that they give sleeping bags to sleep inside this ice rooms or snow rooms as you call it. We didn't try, but maybe someday we'll try it. This Arctic hotel is located in Sineta in Finland beside a great lake. So that's my daughter standing on the frozen lake. Now this is the ice bar. Let's have a look how it is. This ice bar has got nice sitting arrangement, quaint and cozy, and has a selection of both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. So we tried out how it is.
Be careful, it's so slippery. And here's the Jägermeister.
So what should we do? We should first drink it and then throw it in the...
Yeah, after that you can just throw it into the wall.
Come here, come here. Come here. First we'll keep it here.
Really amazing. You're served drinks in ice shot glasses. After finishing the drink, you can throw it and break it on the wall. Isn't that amazing? There's my daughter and my husband with two beautiful drinks. Let's see what happens at the end.
I'm going to throw this glass on the wall in the ice bar. We are allowed to do that. Let's go. Woo!
Woohoo! This hotel is located at a 30 minutes distance from Rovaniemi city center or Santa Claus village, and many times they provide you a pickup and a drop facility from these points. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the snow sauna experience. It is an astonishing combination of thick steam with intimate snow walls. The hotel grounds have also a more traditional log-built sauna buildings with lovely jacuzzis too. Bathing combined with a suitable beverage and northern lights keep you warm. Yes, you can see amazing northern lights from this hotel, and they have a separate igloos where you can stay and enjoy the northern lights. Basically, this hotel gives you different type of packages. Either you can visit it for a day trip, or you can day trip combined with the dining experience and sauna if you like, or you can stay in that hotel. It all depends on you. You can check out their website. I will try to put that in the description box for how to book this.